Hey everybody, Eagle Run 23 here. It has been a heck of a long day. So I came out here to move a couple of boxes, a couple things came in, and I just saw this sitting over on the workbench. I just love this, and I hate that I messed up on that color situation for this, but you guys probably saw the video the other day. We're working with TacPack, and they're the ones that do that monthly subscription. And they had a really cool grip that came in for December. And it's called the Kung Fu. And I don't know if you can see. It's almost like graffiti in there and the texturing. And it's from this company called Die Free Company, I think, DFCO. And it's just so cool. I really like this. And I saw this set in here, and I saw this set in here. And I'm like, what if I don't do the cerakote and I just do black with this? Why can't I do that? So there is the grip. As you can see, it's got a really straight up and down angle. It's like 15 or 12 or something degrees. It's got a great angle to it. Through the Strike Industries pit on here, Pit Viper, whatever it's called, it's not the right stock for this build, but it can be a placekeeper for us while we kind of mock this up. So next we'll throw on the upper, and let's see what that looks like with a handguard. This handguard came in, and this is the one that I was going to have cerakoted, but maybe I'll just leave it black. But let's just admire here for a second. This is from UnBranded AR. So we have a great lockup system. We got anti-roll. We have the way that it's supposed to be done with an interrupted top rail, lightened. Now this is not the lightest one that I felt. It's still got quite a bit of thickness there. In fact, for a 13-inch handguard, or maybe it's 12-inch. It's pretty beefy. I like the openness to it. You got M-lock on the side. I do very much like this. I wish it was a little bit lighter. The Anderson one has all those lightning cuts in it, and it's definitely a lighter unit. But given that it's a little bit shorter, maybe we could get away with that. All right, any reason why that doesn't work? I think that's great. In fact, I think that might be a better idea than what I was gonna do. So we have a colored upper and lower, and then we just roll black on everything else. I don't know. This is curious to me. We very well may run with this. Thank you to UnBranded AR. Let me show you what else they sent me. Look at this one. It's got the Eagle Run on both sides. Oh man, this absolutely made my day. It was a heck of a day. I've got staff members who are sick. Still have a little boy who's sick. We ran around like a crazy person today, and to get this in the mail, put a smile on my face. That's really great. Thank you so much, UnBranded AR. Maybe I would just run, maybe that one would go on here. If I'm not going to cerakote this, although it's like etched on there, so I think it would show through, like lightly on the cerakote. I don't know. We'll figure out something for this. It might go on this build right here. So I am an affiliate for UnBranded, working with them on a few projects. It's really cool stuff. The prices over there are amazing. I'll have a link for you. Just go check them out and see what they've got. They are out of stock of a lot of stuff right now. I think their sales did really well. It's priced amazing anyway, and to see some of their discounts were pretty impressive over the last couple of weeks. UnBranded is also owned by the same group that has the ZRO Zero Delta and then the US Optics. And so they're all kind of one company, but they have 3 different brands. I really like the UnBranded stuff. I think it's a cool look, a cool design. I like their handguards. I like the way they're doing it. Handguards are a bit of an issue for me. I don't like the way a lot of them are done, but these are good. I haven't run them yet, but I like the way they look and the way they feel. I feel like they're going to be pretty nice. All right, we have another box from UnBranded. This is actually from Zero Delta. There is the Zero Delta logo. This is a cold hammer forged, and it's just a 223 Wild barrel. It's a 223 Wild barrel, but look what they have, a dimple. Love the dimple. If you're a builder, you know you can appreciate a good dimple, and we've got dimples. And we've got a BCM flash hider that came in our tack pack from last month. So a couple things from tack pack helped making this happen. And then the great support from Zero Delta and UnBranded AR. Really cool stuff. So just kind of playing with this. I needed to get my mind off the day and put some stuff away and get to bed. I kind of mocked this up here, and I had to show it to you to kind of get your opinion. All right, guys, Eagle Run 2-3. We'll see you next time.